I just got off work. It's been about 2 months since I've actually made a YouTube video, so I'm sorry. Try to be consistent, but it's really hard. Got a lot of stuff going on. I think my last video was when we got the washout booth and we put that together. I think that was the last video. Well, I want to do like a review on that because we have done a couple like little upgrades to it. I dyed my hair blonde. I did that myself. I don't know why I keep looking at the mic. I have to look at this little dot right here. My garage is pretty messy right now. I've got some inks out, loaded with a bunch of boxes back here, but this is kind of the reality of it. It's very messy right now. I actually don't like how messy it is. I still got my press loaded up with my screens that I need to take down and clean. A couple cool things I wanted to share with you guys is, and I'm sure some of you guys already know this because a lot of you guys I think are from Instagram, but I got a dryer. It's the Little Buddy 2. We got a dryer, so that's cool and exciting. I don't know if I mentioned before, but we got all these tire covers from Toyota that we're printing on. We printed on 100 of them. We have 300 to print on, so we definitely have a lot. And it's taking a long time because I can't put them through the dryer, and it's like the material, there's no way I could put these through the dryer. But it's been working. We tested it out. They're turning out really good. It's just really time consuming. So this is like what I've been working on. And I also got a job as a screen printer working for another company printing on leashes. I'm working there part-time, and then I come home and do what I can for our business. I want to do like another tour of studio, but we still have, I'll show you guys just because I feel like I keep saying I want to do another tour, but we still have like this huge Universal in here. It's a big gym equipment thing, so I want to get that out before I do like a full tour of everything. Can't see the whole thing. I've got a bunch of stuff in the way. It's a big old mess in here. I need to clean it up. But I actually ordered this from His Way Press or Print. I ordered it and they contacted me and they wanted to give it to me as a gift, so that was really cool. So shout out to them. Like, they also have a YouTube, so you guys should go check them out. Which actually I might need another one because my hair is brown in this one and I just dyed my hair, so I might get another one. I don't know yet. The one thing that I picked up from a couple like new things that I hadn't tried before is like this reducer. I got this and I still have to try that. I got Phantom Clear is what it's called, and I got it from Matsui, I think. I don't know, I don't want to say it wrong, but I got that from a manufacturer and I'm really excited to try that. A water activated ink. Somebody recommended it to me on Instagram. I had printed like some angel wings and they had said like, oh, that'd be sick if it was in that water activated ink. And I had no idea what it was, and I don't actually think a lot of people know what it is, so I'm gonna try that out. I'll probably make a video out of that as well. It's really hard to stay consistent on every platform. I don't know how Lee Stewart does it, honestly. Does your laundry build up? Because our laundry is building up. It's pretty crazy. I got some stickers, but I ordered these off of Mule Stickers, I think is what it's called. Just to try them out and see. They're actually really nice, and they weren't too expensive. I just wanted to like make a short little video of what we've been up to. We've just been busy. I have another job. It takes away a lot of my time now, so it's kind of been hard to find time to actually get in the garage and do what I like to do. A vacation coming up. We're gonna take like 10 days off. We really need it. So I'll probably be off like social media and everything for about 10 days, which will be much needed. I ordered from Easy Way some cleaning supplies. I haven't tried it yet because I still have leftover of like S-green stuff. I was trying to finish all that up before opening up that Easy Way stuff. A lot of people have been asking me for feedback on that, and I need to finish what I have already. So as soon as I'm done with my current cleaning supplies, I'll definitely let you guys know how the Easy Way cleaning supplies is. The washout booth has been really nice to have. I'll say that. I'm not cleaning in my bathtub anymore, which is definitely nice. I don't really have a whole lot to complain about anymore. That was like one of the main things, washing those screens in my tiny bathroom. I'm gonna try and make some more content when we get back. All right, well, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what was going on. I haven't fallen off the face of the earth yet. I'm gonna be printing a very small, like quarter size piece on a hoodie, and I wanna record that and show you guys that. I also have that the water activated ink that I'm gonna be testing out. I also need to do the puff again because I really don't think that it was fair that I had done that video on 156 mesh when I really should have been using a 110 mesh, which I didn't have. I have that now, so I need to get on that. Total Ink Solutions actually sent me another container of that puff ink because I said I should be using the 110. Hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks for watching my videos. Comment down below like what type of videos you guys want to see. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.